So welcome back to KSR Concepts of Chemistry. Today we are discussing Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation. So what is Claisen condensation? Here we are taking an ester like this. This is an ester methyl acetate. This is the ester. This ester is treated with alkoxide which act as a base, alkoxide which acts as a base in the presence of alcohol which act as a solvent, So an ester treated with alkoxide in the presence of alcohol, we got a beta keto ester. Okay, this is the beta keto ester because this is the ester functional group and this is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. So we got beta keto ester. This reaction is known as Claisen condensation. Now what is the mechanism? For this reaction? In this reaction, alkoxide ion generally act as a base. And OCH3 group acting as a good leaving group. If you observe, the leaving group and the base should be same. In this reaction, the leaving group and the base should be same. So in this mechanism, suppose if alkoxide ion acting as nucleophile, this alkoxide ion acting as nucleophile, what happened? Nucleophilic addition takes place. That is, this nucleophile will attach on carbonyl carbon and pi electron will be transferred to the oxygen. So we got the product like this. After nucleophilic addition, we got the product like this. This is the nucleophilic addition product. So in this product, oxygen revert back its electron pair to the central carbon, then methoxide ion will be departed. Again we got the same reactant. So this reaction is not significant. Because the same reactant we got by undergoing nucleophilic addition reaction. So this methoxide ion cannot act as nucleophile. And there is another possibility of the reaction takes place in this reaction, that is methoxide ion can react with methyl alcohol, can undergo acid base neutralization reaction to give methyl alcohol and methoxide ion. In this reaction, the reactants and the products both are same. So this reaction also insignificant, that means not significant. So these two reactions may occur in this reaction, but these reactions are not significant in this reaction. What is the original mechanism of this reaction? Now we can discuss. Now the mechanism for this reaction. So in this reaction, finally the methoxide ion acts as a base. It does not act as a nucleophile. So we are taking ester like this. This is the ester we are taking. Here methoxide ion acting as a base. This methoxide ion abstract the proton from alpha carbon of the ester. It abstracts the proton from alpha carbon atom of the ester. Now the sigma bonded pair is taken up by carbon. So we got enolate ion. Like this. This is the enolate ion. This enolate ion is stabilized by resonance. This enolate ion is stabilized by resonance due to conjugation. This electron pair is in conjugation with the pi electrons of the C double bond O group. So these pi electrons will undergo delocalization. Due to that delocalization or due to that resonance, this enolate ion is stabilized. And the side product for this reaction is methyl alcohol, because methoxidant abstract the proton from alpha carbon. So we got the side product methyl alcohol. Now this enolate ion is formed as intermediate. This is known as intermediate in this reaction. And in the second step, this is the step 1, we can consider. In step 2, the enolate ion will attacks on another molecule of ester. We can take another molecule of ester. Now the enolate ion will act as a nucleophile, because it is electron rich species, so it acts as a nucleophile. This enolate ion may attack on carbonyl carbon. Now the pi electron will be transferred to the oxygen. So nucleophilic addition takes place in this reaction. And this reaction is very slow step. This step is very slow step. This is also known as rate determining step. So in this step we got the product like this, that is CH3O minus and CH2 COOCH3 and this is OCH3. After nucleophilic addition we got the product like this. In this, oxygen will revert back the electron pair to the central carbon. So OCH3 will be departed as methoxide ion. So we got the product CH3 C double bond CH2 COOCH3 and methoxide ion. So this is the main product or the major product, that is beta keto ester. This is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. This is beta keto ester is formed as major product, and methoxidant is formed as side product, and this methoxidant acting as a catalyst in this reaction, because methoxide ion concentration remains constant during this reaction. Initially methoxidant attacks on the ester, and in the final step the methoxide ion will be departed. So this methoxidant acts as a catalyst in this reaction, and the concentration of methoxidant does not change during the overall reaction. This is known as Claisen condensation. I hope you understand this topic, and please subscribe, share and like my channel KSR Concepts of Chemistry. Thank you very much.